If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. We have a PlayStation 3 and my subscribers tell me the joystick is stuck. Turn her on. I got the joystick plugged in. Guess it needs to be plugged in before I can sync. Press the PS button. Okay. Oh yeah. Something's stuck here. Yeah, something's stuck. I'll have to figure that out. Probably just got to clean these things. They're just sticky. Oh yeah. Stick. So it looks like Phillips, good old popular Phillips. Yeah, let's try that one. Oh yeah, there we go. One, two, three, four tiny little screws. Let's put them in a container. And just remember there's still battery in here, so one more. Number 5. There we go. Looks like there's a snap up there. Don't lose these. Looks like they want to just fall off. Vibrator. But look at it, it's pretty dirty in there too. Okay, let's unsnap these little motors. How about we unplug this battery? Let's get rid of it altogether. Okay, battery's off. Now I can get to that screw on the circuit board. Okay. Oh geez, these things are a solid unit. Well, that's what those little knobbies do. I thought maybe it could come off the circuit board and clean behind it, but you can't. It's part of the circuit board. I can't remove that. So the most I'm going to do is maybe try some cleaner. So I'm going to try cleaning these things. And basically, I'm using some delicate cleaner here that works on mass airflow sensors, so I know it won't damage the board here. I just want to be able to somehow get underneath here and give it a good squirt, move things around. That's all I can really do. It's all one little component here. Okay, let's give it a good blow. No, that's all I can do. Now, put that back on. Where's that tiny little screw? Okay, now the fun part, getting all this stuff on together. Okay, holy jeez, okay. Let's get this battery in without trying to bump anything. Wow. That was fun. Whew. Now I got the second controller apart, and it's a lot different. But as I mentioned, this was a second controller I had to fix. It's camel, the first one was clear. Obviously a different model because the circuit board was different and a lot easier to work on this model here. I can't tell the difference between the two, but once I got inside, yeah, a lot easier to work on. So again, the little joystick was sticking, so I just went in there with some electrical cleaner, cleaned it really well, put some in there, blew it out, and so now I am going to reassemble this one. Okay. Okay. Got that all assembled. Let's assemble that battery in there. Do it again. Well, I think that's it. Let's give it a try.